Hi everyone! Fall is slowly sneaking up on us, but we still want to keep that glowy skin. And today I'm going to show you how you can keep that glowy summer skin together with a really nice, warm toned eye makeup. We're starting with doing Evelyn's brows and then doing the base on her forehead. This is the absolute best trick to avoid fall down when you're doing your eyeshadow. Start with an eyeshadow primer. This will help the eyeshadow to stick better and last longer during the day without creasing. Then apply a warm tone shade right above the crease with a big fluffy brush. And go in with a darker shade on the outer corner of the eye with a smaller brush for more precision. Use that same dark shade underneath your eyes as well, and don't be afraid of using eyeshadow underneath your eyes. It will really open up the eyes and make them look bigger. Then use your fingertip to apply shimmer on the eyelid and blend out with a fluffy brush. And to tie it all together, use that shimmery eyeshadow underneath the eyes as well. Use your favorite mascara on both your upper and lower lashes to make your eyes look bigger. Time to do the rest of the base. We're going to focus on a very lightweight and natural look. To warm up the face, I am using our Infinity Filter in Deep as a bronzer. I am obsessed with cream blush right now, so I am mixing Velvet Couture with Shaping Light in Warm Glow for this beautiful glowy blush. I'm using Shaping Light as my highlighter on the nose and also on the inner corner of the eyes. And I'm adding a little bit more on the cheeks. On the lips, I want something warm and shimmery, so I'm mixing Infinity Glass with Shaping Light in the color Desert Glow. And to keep that summer feeling for just a little bit longer, I am using Warm Glow on the chest and on the shoulders. And that's it, you guys. I really hope you like this summery, glowy look, and I'll see you next time. Bye!